think humans are great at building cities. Ants have us beat underground. Without a leader, ants organize traffic, build bridges, and even grow their own food. It's called swarm intelligence for us, simple minds solving complex problems together.
Inspired by ants, scientists designed smart robots, traffic systems, even the internet.
One ant. Not much. A colony. Nature's most efficient machine.
What if our cities ran like ant colonies?
Follow nature's blueprint for more wisdom from the wild.